Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. So, page 7, Habits of a Successful Beginning Band Musician. So the very first thing they show you at the very top of the page is a comma mark for breath. And then they also show you NB means no breath. So here's 27 called skips, which is mostly chordal patterns for the first half, and the second half is scale-wise. Now we lead on to 28, Beethoven's Joy, which is Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, the final movement. Shatley, which is actually a movie, I believe, in the late 80s that was actually pretty cool. Has nothing to do with the song. Number 30 is called Rhythm Prep. It's a clapping exercise. So go through that. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you ever wonder why you see me doing this, it's because I've conducted bands for many years, so in the back of my head I'm always going through that kind of setup. So here's I Like It, number 31, and 1, 2, 3. And let's jump down to Dreidel Spinning song. And 1, 2, 3, and and the Good King. So a couple things happening in here. Good King Wenceslas is the actual title of the song, and sometimes you'll hear this in 4/4, and sometimes you'll hear it in cut time. So here's 4/4, and 1, 2, 3. And in cut time you get And new note, 4th position for a G. If you're checking out this page, just lock in that G first. And then we have F's to G's, slurred F to G, which is a lip slur, which is a making that work, which is a lot of what the jazz guys do. And here's 34. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And thanks for watching. That's page 7. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.